Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where learning English is easy and fun. In today's video, we'll listen to a simple and fun conversation between two students at school. Let's practice your listening and speaking skills together.
Hi Tom, how are you today?
I'm good, just a little sleepy.
Did you stay up late again?
Yeah, I was doing my homework.
Me too, I had so much math to finish.
Math is so hard for me.
Same here, but I think today's lesson will be fun.
Really? What are we learning?
Fractions, I think.
Oh no, fractions again.
Don't worry, I'll help you.
Thanks, you're the best.
No problem. By the way, are you joining the English club later?
Yes, I am. Let's go together.
Great, see you after class.
Great job, everyone. You did amazing listening to today's school conversation. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English stories and conversations. See you in the next video.